Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer money to your Chime account fast. So let's get started. First, open the Chime app on your phone and go to the Move Money tab. After that, tap on Transfer from Other Banks. This section allows you to add money from an external account by linking your other bank directly with Chime. Then, tap on Link your external account. And then, Chime will open Plaid, which is a secure and trusted service used to connect your bank safely. Tap Continue and select the bank you want to transfer money from if you don't see it in the list. Just type the name of your bank in the search bar. Once you find it, sign in using your bank's username and password and tap Submit. You may be asked to verify your identity, so follow the on-screen prompts. After your account is successfully linked, tap Continue. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details carefully, and tap Confirm Transfer. The transaction will start processing, and the funds will usually appear in your Chime account within a few business days. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.